Hey guys, in my real estate business, I often have both buyers and sellers ask me if I have any ideas on what to do for some tired old flooring in their home. What I'm going to talk to you about today is a DIY project that I actually did in my own home. And this floor that you're looking at has been down for about a year now, and my wife and I are really happy with it. And as you can see, it's a great looking floor. Now, after removing the carpet, what I chose to go with was a product called LVP. That's luxury vinyl plank. And as you can see, it's a good looking product. It's got texture to it. It has great coloring, and the application to install it was incredibly simple. It's a peel and stick product, but yet it's still very durable. Now, if you'd like to know the secrets that I learned during the course of this project, or if you have real estate questions of any kind that you'd like to discuss, please call or text me at 505-977-7251. I'm John Sickels with eXp Realty, simplifying real estate to get you moving. Thanks, and have a great day.